Welcome everyone to the intense online module of 1014 MSc. During the course of this video, you can open your workbooks to Module 1 and try and answer as many questions as you can. This course widely revolves around understanding the anatomy, which is the structure, and the physiology, which is the function, of cells, that together form tissues and organs. These two branches of biology, anatomy and physiology, are intimately related. We humans are an aggregate of trillions of cells. It is estimated that an adult human being may have up to 37.2 trillion cells. So let's look at the human body when broken down to the simplest and smallest level. At the chemical level, we are made up of atoms, the smallest unit of a chemical particle. Atoms combine to form molecules. These molecules associate in a specific way to form organelles and cells at the cellular level. Each cell may have its own unique function depending upon its size and structure. Single-celled organisms are the simplest living cells. However, in complex multicellular organisms, such as ourselves, numerous cells aggregate to form a tissue, which is the tissue level. A tissue is comprised of similar cells with a common function. For example, the muscle tissue is made up of muscle cells, and their function is to enable movement. When at least two different types of tissues come together and perform a specific function, they become an organ, which is the organ level. At an organ system level, multiple organs work together for one common purpose. For example, the circulatory system is comprised of two different types of organs, the heart and blood vessels, that work together to circulate blood. And finally, the organismal level, which is the sum of all of these structural levels together. The cells in the human body and all complex living things are independent. This is because we are a multicellular organism, and the vital functions of our body are distributed between different organs. The digestive system of our body takes nutrients, breaks them down, and eliminates unabsorbed food, while the respiratory system takes in oxygen needed for cells and eliminates carbon dioxide. The circulatory system distributes the oxygen and nutrients to the trillions of cells in our body, while collecting waste that is generated at the same time. The urinary system filters the blood and removes nitrogenous waste and excess ions that the blood accumulates from various cells in our body. The musculoskeletal system provides support, stability, and movement for our body, while the reproductive system serves for reproduction. And finally, the integumentary system, which keeps all of the organ systems together and prevents any external exposure, thus protecting them. All these systems work together at an organismal level to help keep us alive and functioning. Although Galen's theory of physiology of the circulatory system was widely accepted up until the early 1600s, it was nonsensical and was not based upon experimental verification. It was William Harvey who was the first to successfully establish the physiology of the circulatory system. Thanks to William Harvey and many others, we now know that the deoxygenated blood from various parts of the body is collected into the right chambers of our heart via the systemic veins and sent to the lungs. Here, carbon dioxide is exchanged with oxygen, and the oxygenated blood from the lungs drains into the left chamber of the heart and is then sent out at high pressure to nourish the trillions of cells of the body through tiny capillaries.